first strategy we'll look at is deceptively simple to state, to the point that it might come across as trivial, but it's not. In the debiasing literature, it's called consider the opposite. How does it work? Let's say you're facing a decision task or a judgment task and you settle on an initial answer. To implement this strategy, you ask yourself, what are some reasons that my initial judgment might be wrong? And then you start listing reasons. If I think this product will sell, what are some reasons why it doesn't sell? If I think this college would be a good choice, what are some reasons why it might not be a good choice? If I think I can meet this deadline, what are some reasons why I might fail to meet this deadline? If I think these two variables are correlated, what are some reasons why they might not be correlated? And that's it. This exercise works by forcing you to consciously visualize different outcomes or different scenarios than what you naturally expect or anticipate, or hope for. And that alone can counteract the narrowing effect of cognitive biases. Just to show that I'm not making this up and there really is a literature on this, here's the original 1984 paper that coined the term consider the opposite. Experiments have been done that show that simple consider the opposite strategies can reduce confirmation bias, anchoring effects, hindsight bias, and more. Here's a pro tip. When you're brainstorming reasons why the opposite might occur, don't try to rack up as many as possible. Anywhere between 2 and 10 reasons have been shown to be effective, but beyond 10, the debiasing effect is reduced. Why? Because it becomes increasingly harder to imagine alternative reasons why your assumptions may be false. And our brains treat this increased cognitive effort as a signal that our assumptions are not false. Because if they were false, why would it be so hard to come up with reasons, right? So the effect is strongest when you keep your options below 10. My suggestion is that you consider no more than 5, the number of digits on your hand. It's easy to remember, and that'll keep you out of the danger zone. The video you just watched is part of a larger course on cognitive biases and critical thinking. You can find it on Udemy. Just click the link on the screen or in the video description to get a 50% discount on the sign up. Or you can find it and many other video courses over at the Critical Thinker Academy, where you can sign up for as low as $3 a month and get access to almost 20 hours of video training on a variety of topics related to logic, argumentation, and critical thinking.